Hello kids, welcome to the class. The first number I'll take over here is 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4. Over here, what you are going to do is, you are going to find, the first step you will be doing is to find the LCM of the number that is present in the denominator. So over here, you can see the number 3 and 4 are present. So I am going to do the LCM of this 3 and 4. So over here, you already must be knowing how to find the LCM. So over here, 4 is divisible by 2. So it will be 3, 2, 2, 3, 1 and 3, 1, 1. So LCM over here will be 2 into 2 into 3, which will be nothing but 12. Okay, so this is the LCM I got. What it is? LCM. So now what I am going to do? I am going to find the equivalent fraction for both 2 upon 3 and 1 upon 4 such that the denominator will be 12. So what I am going to do, 2 upon 3, I have to make denominator 12 over here. So what am I going to do? See the relation between 3 and 12. 3 times what will give you 12? You know it is 4. So same thing I am going to do in the numerator because that's the rule. So 2 times 4 gives me 8. And the same thing with the another fraction which is 1 upon 4. So over here it is 12. 4 into what will give me 12? It is 3. So same thing. 3. Now what you are going to do? Now you are not going to do anything over here. This fraction you are not going to use. Which fraction you are going to use? You are going to use these two fractions. So it will be 8 upon 12 plus 3 upon 12. What you observe, denominators are same. So what I am going to do, I am going to go and add the numerators directly. So 8 plus 3 gives me 11 upon 12. So this is the answer of this addition, that is 2 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4 will give answer as 11 upon 12. Let's take one more sum. Okay, 5 upon 12 plus 3 upon 10. Okay, first step is to find the LCM of what? 12 and 10. Okay, so first I'll write the numbers and find the LCM. Okay, so 2 6 are 2 5s are 2 3s are 5 will be as it is. 3 1s are 5s are 5 1 1. Okay, so who all are there? 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. And when I will multiply, I'll get answer as 60. So 60 is what? 60 is the LCM. Got the LCM? Now change the fractions. So it will be 5 upon 12. I will have to change it where the denominator will be 60. Now 12 into what will be 60? 5. So same thing I'll do over here also. 5 times 5 gives me 25. Now 3 upon 10. I have to convert it into 60. What am I going to do? 10 into what gives me 60? 6. And 6. 3 6 are 18. Now what am I supposed to do? I am supposed to add this to given new fractions. So 25 upon 60 plus 18 upon 60. Denominators are same. So I'll directly go and add the numerators. And when I will add this, I'll get answer as 43 upon 60. So the answer, that is the addition of 5 upon 12 plus 3 upon 10 will be 43 upon 60. So I hope you have understood this. If yes, then do subscribe to my channel. Meet you in the next class. Till then, take care. Tada, bye-bye.